Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tiago over here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Insta360 Go.
3.
If you're into capturing life's unique moments in a creative way, this might be the camera for you. First things first, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Ooh. As we open up, we're greeted with this really cool packaging. It even comes with some stickers, a manual, different things like that. We have the Insta360 Go neatly tucked in. Along with the camera, you'll find a list of included accessories. We have this mounting device. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. You have the instructions here. But the thing that I really bought it for, that I'm super excited about, is this little guy. It's a magnet necklace that you wear around your neck, and the Insta360 Go will just attach to it. Now this is the actual camera, the way it looks. We have this little flip screen. You turn it on the side right here, there's this little button, and it begins the turn on process. You can just grab this little guy out right here. You press this little button, it detaches itself, and then boom. Hey, what's up?
Camera on your shit?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that?
So check it out. Yeah.
I was just thinking about, where'd you get that?
Amazon.
Thanks.
So it's called Insta360.
Insta360 and it links to your GoPro?
No, it actually is kind of like a GoPro competitor.
To start recording, you can press the red button on here, or you can press this little button right here. I typically press it on here because I keep this like in my jacket or in my pocket. Taking a closer look at the camera, it's incredibly small and lightweight, which is really great to be on the go, which is why it's called Insta360 Go camera. Let's move on to setting up the Insta360 Go. It really becomes a breeze once you learn how this thing works. Within a few minutes, you'll be up and running, ready to capture some amazing footage. It comes with a little booklet that really gives you the steps. There's even an app that can walk you through some of the setup process. Now for comparison, let's compare the Insta360 Go to a GoPro. Now I don't currently have a GoPro, but I would say that the GoPro on image quality is a lot better, but on the versatility of some of the creative shots, I would say that the Insta360 Go would totally win, especially because of this removable feature. Now, as far as the interface, navigating the camera seems to be pretty similar to any other camera interface. They make it really easy for you with these icons. It also comes with a companion app. Now, one of the standout features is the editing capabilities. I haven't really dove too much into this as I edit on my own software, but this makes it easy to create engaging content on the fly for those of you that want to use that. Now, when it comes to battery life, the Insta360 holds up pretty well. I've tested it in a few different scenarios. This guy's battery life is maybe, I think it lasted me like 30 minutes or so, 30, 45 minutes to be honest with you. When it was detached, the battery began to drain pretty fast, so especially if you're in point of view mode where you're just capturing long form. I did realize that like turn it off when you're not really capturing footage that you like will help extend the battery. But as soon as you put it right back in this guy, the hub, I call it, will begin to recharge this automatically. And then when I got into the car, I just plugged it in to a USB charger. So what are my final thoughts on the Insta360 Go? Overall, I'm pretty impressed. I actually like it for an action Go camera. I also like the creative versatility that it's gonna add to my business and the creative shots that I'll be able to capture for my clients. I love how I could just walk around, capture my day, point and shoot. It's really adding a different element of creativity to some of my artistic expression that I kind of felt like I wanted for 2024. Camera quality, especially in low light, and not being able to shoot 4K are downers for some of the things that I'm going to be able to have limitations on what I could use it for. But I think in the context of like storytelling and just capturing engaging content for B-roll when I'm out about talking to people, it definitely serves a good purpose. So if you have any questions about the Insta360 Go or want to share some of your experience, please drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more content. So if you're interested in a video where I go through navigating the menu screen and some of the settings for the Insta360 Go, go ahead and check out this video right here. If you want to just see another video with some of the test footage, go ahead and check out this one. Have a good one.